Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can remove the Show More Options entry from the Windows 11 context menu. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. If you want to use the File Explorer to do this, launch the File Explorer, go to the menu. In File Explorer, go up to the menu pane, go to the three dots for the drop-down list and click on it. And click Options. Switch to the View tab, go to the Advanced Settings section, scroll down to the Launch folder. Click Launch Folder Windows in Separate Processes, then press Apply and OK to restart your system. We can also change the registry to remove the Show More Options entry. Before you do, it's advisable to back up the registry, create a system restore point, or both. After that, open the registry editor. Navigate to HKey Local Machine, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Shell, Update, Packages. In the right pane, right-click on an empty space and choose to create a new DWORD. Name it as Undocking Disabled. Hit Enter. Double-click on it. Give it a hexadecimal base value of 1. Then click OK. Restart your system to allow the changes to take effect. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.